Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Derek Damano, founding advisor of Flagship Asset Services. And today we're going to be talking about crafting your investment strategy during the Great Lockdown. Before we get started, a quick note from compliance. Securities and advisory services offered through LPL Financial, a registered investment advisor, member FINRA SIPC. We're going to start the conversation today by talking about risk. You may or may not be familiar with the outdated approaches of assessing risk that have dominated the industry for decades, but let me walk you through the approach I use in my practice. If you're an existing client, you have already gone through the process with me and understand how it works. Hang tight, because I'll explain towards the end how we're going to use it to navigate the current market conditions. The old way of assessing risk, stereotyping investors with subjective semantics, simply doesn't work. The words moderately conservative investing may mean something different to you than it does to me, and a person's age doesn't always determine those factors anyway. In fact, a team of academics performed and assessed our methodology and found that 52% of 20 to 29-year-olds aren't aggressive, and 53% of 70 to 79-year-olds aren't conservative. I like to treat our clients like individuals. That's why my approach utilizes something called the risk number. It's a quantitative way to pinpoint how much risk you want and how much risk you currently have in your portfolio and how much risk you need to take to reach your goals. It's a number from 1 to 99. 1 is like having cash under your mattress. 99 is like having all your retirement investments in an aggressive stock. Our process. We combine our proprietary process, investment knowledge, investment philosophy, and cutting-edge technology in order to empower fearless investing. Now let's show you what it looks like. How much risk do you want? Let's pinpoint your risk number. We'll go through a series of simple mathematical assessments based on real dollars to determine how much risk you're willing to take in exchange for an opportunity at a specific gain. This puts you in charge of the objective outcome. If you'd like to go back, change the results, or use a more detailed version, we can do that easily. How much risk do you need? Charting a path to your longer-term goals is a key part of our process. Whether we use the retirement map or another piece of technology, this doesn't have to be overwhelming, and often we return to this part of the process after gaining clarity on your personal risk number. How much risk do you have? If you already have an investment portfolio, there are a few ways we can quickly and securely import it to see if your risk number aligns with your current risk. How much risk should you have? I'll take all these factors into consideration to build you an optimized portfolio that fits your risk tolerance and goals. We then stress test your portfolio, visualize expense ratios, discuss your 95% probability range, and set expectations for the future. How could you potentially improve your investment strategy? Now we put it all together to potentially improve your investment strategy and uncover opportunities. Not all risk numbers are created equal. By using the information we uncovered through this process and combining it with your current portfolio's GPA, we can start to find some additional insights, like, does your current risk number match your current portfolio risk? If so, can the portfolio be improved to create a higher GPA, providing lower risk, higher return, or both? If not, is there an opportunity to de-risk the portfolio, and how does that change the expected 95% probability range? Or, given the information we've uncovered, the current portfolio coupled with the current market conditions and staying the course is the best decision and not just the default decision. If you're ready to get started, you can do it in a couple of ways. Visit our website where you can find access to a link to take your risk assessment. Contact us directly at the office or connect with us online via social. Again, thanks for joining us, and I hope you found this informative.